Now lens videos were put on, right, quite long back. Now we do the numericals or the sums of lens, okay. So now I'll give you the formula first. Lens formula. Lens formula is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. So this is your lens formula. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Then magnification we have done this in 9th standard in mirrors also, but the mirror formula is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Lens formula is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Magnification M is equal to height of image, that is H2 upon H1 is equal to V upon U. This is the height of image. Sorry, magnification formula. Height of image upon height of object. Distance of image upon distance of object. Okay. Then power of lens. Power of lens P is equal to 1 upon F, and this F should be always in meters. Okay, and the unit of power is diopters. The unit of power is diopters, or you can write D. Power of lens dP is equal to 1 upon F. Meter, it should always be in meters. Then focal length combination or combination of focal length. Combination of focal length. Combination of focal length is equal to 1 upon F, that is combination of focal length is 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon F1 plus 1 upon F2 and so on. 1 upon F1, F2, F3 and so on. Same way, power combination or power of two lenses or three lenses. So power of two lenses or three lenses, whatever it is, if it is two lenses. So power of three lenses, P is equal to P1 plus P2. If it is three lenses, P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 and it goes on, so on. So this is your total formulas that you have in this chapter. So copy down these formulas wherever you want, properly in your notebooks or anywhere. And then we solve the sums. Now we do the sign conventions also. Okay. So these are the formulas: lens formula, magnification formula, then power of lens formula, combination of focal length, and power of two lenses. Combination of focal length of two lenses and power of two lenses. Okay. So all these formulas are important for the numerical for chapter number. I think this is lenses, chapter number 7, lenses. So this is important chapter. You have some numericals in this. So all these formulas are important for the sums you are going to do in this chapter. Okay, so these are the formulas I told you. Make a note of all these formulas very nicely. Now I will give you the sign conventions which are important for doing the sums. So you have to remember the sign conventions, what you have to use, and how you have to write the nature of the image and all very properly. According to the sign conventions, you have to write the nature of the image. Now U stands for object distance. Distance of object. Convex lens. And concave lens. Okay, so U stands for object distance. Object is always kept on the left hand side of the mirror, so the object distance is always negative. So minus for convex lens also and minus for concave lens also. Okay, V stands for image distance. Distance of image. V stands for image distance. Okay. If the image is real image. Real image. Sorry, real image positive, right? And virtual image real image is on the other side of the lens, so it is positive, and virtual image is negative. Concave lens you never get a real image. Okay, so you always get a virtual image, so it is always negative. So concave lens only virtual image. This is for real image and this is for virtual image. So if you get positive answer, so real image. If you get negative answer of these, so it is a virtual image. Okay. Then height of object h1. Height of object. For convex lens also it is positive. For concave lens also it is positive. Then height of image. Height of image. Now height of image, inverted image. Negative if you get H2, so it is an inverted image. If you get positive answer for H2, it is an erect image. So real images are always inverted, virtual images are always erect, and here you get always positive because you get only what? Virtual image, so it is always erect. So inverted and erect. Then focal length. Focal length of convex lens is positive and for concave lens is negative. Then power of convex lens is positive and for concave lens the power is negative, minus. So these are the sign conventions that you have to remember while you are doing the sums. So to remember the sign conventions when you are doing the sums, object distance is always negative whether it is convex lens. Convex lens are also called diverging lens convex lens are also called converging lens and concave lens are also called diverging lens. So if it is given in the sum, converging lens, so converging lens means convex lens, diverging lens means concave lens. Okay, so to remember this also, so these are the sign conventions.